natural instinct. We brought in a team of experts to help.
One suggestion is to make your shipping more efficient from the Postal Service. Call or go online for a free supply and up to $160 in offers from authorized postage vendors. Shipping's a hassle. Weighing every box.
Actually, with flat rate boxes, you don't need to weigh anything under 70 pounds. If it fits, it ships for a low flat rate. Okay, they ship all over the country.
You can ship anywhere. Yes, but I ship hundreds of things in all sizes. Boxes come in 4 sizes. Call now and we'll send a free supply plus up to $160 in offers. When you're ready to ship, we'll even pick them up for free no matter how many you have. Priority mail flat rate boxes. From the Postal Service. A simpler way to ship. Call or go online now to get started. We now offer phone service for $1.70 a month with MagicJet. That's just $19.95 a year. $19.95 a year. We give you free local and long distance and your own phone number. Replace your phone company or add a second line with MagicJet.
New super wet mopping cloths clean so deep, it's like your old mop's worst nightmare. Hey! Super wet cloths clean better than a mop. With new cleansers that attract dirt deep into the cloth and lock it away. New Swiffer wet cloths clean better for your money back. There's never been a better time to get a better night's sleep. And Sleepy's wants you to get it for less. Get a Sleepy Simmons or Serta mattress and box spring for half price. The queen set starting at $2.99. Want more? Get a 10-piece sleep package for just the price of pillows, pillowcases, mattress pad, fitted sheet, light sheet, and more. You get it all. Plus interest-free financing till 2012. Just sleep.